The rule of thirds, very, very useful composition rule that was used in painting in the Renaissance and around many, many years ago. And today is called the rule of thirds when we use it in photography. And it's very useful to know where to position the subjects of your photograph or film frame to make them look attractive to the human eye. So what does it consist of? Let's do like this. So if you divide your screen vertically and horizontally in thirds, all right, then the points where these lines intersect with each other, these are the points of the rule of thirds that if you position your subject in any of these points, all right, they will look attractive to the human eye. So give it a try, make some experiments. Try to position the most important things in your composition in these locations of your composition and see how this is obviously not an absolute rule. It doesn't mean that it's always like this, especially in symmetrical compositions. When you have symmetrical compositions, a location in the center works very well. But in most compositions, and you will see it a lot in the films when you go to the cinema, you will see that locating the subjects in these points makes them very attractive to the human eye. And in the case of a horizon, if you position the horizon in one of the lines of the rule of thirds, you see, so not in the middle, no dividing the composition in two different parts, because this is kind of, it can be confusing or annoying for the human brain to receive this kind of split signal, you know, that you don't really know which part is the most important if you divide it completely in half, right? But if you position the horizon either here or along here approximately, because all of this is approximate, then the human brain finds it much more attractive. The same thing the opposite way. If you don't divide the composition in a strict half, which can confuse the brain, if you use either this line or this line, it can also be more attractive to the human brain. And again, these are all approximate positions. You can obviously play with this and use your own variations. And that's all for today.